Are you getting the too much spam emails in Outlook? So in this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about how you can stop it. So let's start with the video, how you can get right on your junk email in Outlook. So let's start with the video. Before starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So first, come to the your Outlook mail section. Under the mail, go to the home. Under the home, you can see the delete option. Under the delete, you can see the option called junk. Just click on this down arrow and go to the junk email option. So here in the first option, you can see you can choose the level of the junk email proper protection you want. Okay, no automatically filter emails from block center. It is still move to the junk emails. Low move to objections, junk email to junk folder. The most junk email caught be, but some regular mail be caught as well. Check your junk email folder often. Safe list only mail from the people or domain on your safe sender list, safe receive list will be delivered to your inbox. Okay, so if you're getting lots of junk email or spam mail, so you can use the this filter option. Okay, it is level option. This is low, high, and safe list, and this is not a filter. It may be mail from block sender still move to the junk. Okay, so you can use low or high, so it is help you to get right on your junk or spam mail. Okay, you can permanently delete suspect junk mail instead of, don't use this, because sometime what happen, the important mail also go to the junk mail. Okay, now here you can see you add some email address in safe senders, they will come to the directly on your inbox. And here you can see the block list and domain. You can add some domain or email id here. So if you are getting the spam email from particular emails, like if I get the, for example, if I just open this mail, and you can see this is my email id, this is email id from where I got the mail. So this is a domain. So if you are getting the too much spam mail from particular domain, so you just copy this domain. Okay, just copy this domain, double click on, copy it, uh, and go to the same option, and here you just paste this, add, just paste here and add. You can see example someone or example.com. So you can have to add at the rate and domain. Okay, or you can add this also. So this mail from this domain will not come to your inbox. It will be go to the junk email. And if you set the option called permanently delete suspected junk email, then it will be delete automatically. Okay, so use the high level high level protection, and use the block sender. You can also add the email id if you want. If you want to add email id, you can add email id also. Yeah. Okay, and just click on ok. So just remove it and just apply. So now maybe your problem will be solved and you will get the less junk email. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.